Backstage right now at sound check.
Damn right.
Yeah, hammer time.
Y'all know this going on my Facebook.
Yeah, KI.
This is living proof what's gonna happen in about a
Yeah, it's going down. Anyway.
I can't even say.
Yeah, you know what's going down. It's Pleasure Ellis here, man.
I can't even say though. What up? Hey, come back. I'll be back.
Run. Old man Jiggle is my homie right here. Yeah, y'all call the old man Jiggle. Got the old man Jiggle going on. But anyway, it's Pleasure Ellis sound check, hammer time. And y'all's Kiko Amani.
Amani, Kiko, whatever you want to call me, it don't even matter.
Yeah.
Go by both. See that girl over there?
Huh?
See that girl over there? See that girl over there?
Oh. Wrong one. I put in that woman. Pleasure, y'all.